Vladimir Putin, set to extend his presidency for another 6 years, it's steering Russia into an uncertain future marked by escalating nuclear tensions with the United States. As the clock ticks down on the last treaty limiting warhead deployment, Putin's rhetoric grows bolder, boasting about Russia's superior nuclear capabilities since the 2022 invasion of Ukraine. In a bold move, Putin recently signed a law revoking Russia's ratification of the global treaty banning nuclear testing. While Moscow claims it won't conduct a test unless the US does, this raises concerns about the stability of global security. Security analysts speculate that as Putin faces challenges in Ukraine and sees diminishing leverage through energy resources, nuclear weapons become a focal point in its strategy. The Kremlin seems uninterested in discussions with Washington to reduce nuclear risks, believing that the fear of resorting to nuclear weapons deters the US and its allies from directly intervening in Ukraine. Former diplomat Nikolai Sokov points out the contradictions. How can nuclear risks be reduced when playing the nuclear card remains a visible and credible threat? By the start of Putin's expected new term, the New START treaty limiting both nations to 1,550 strategic nuclear warheads will be on the verge of expiration in February 2026, according to Sokov. However, the prospects for an extension look uncertain, with China's nuclear buildup complicating the matters. Putin suspended Russia's participation in New START this year, linking any dialogue resumption to a change in the US' fundamentally hostile course towards Russia. Despite Putin's grandiose talk about Russia's new weapon systems, analysts like Nigel Davies warned the strains on Russia. Sanctions limiting technology access have been already resulting in high-tech failures like crash of Russia's moon landing mission in August. On the possibility of a new arms race, opinions differ. While some, like Sokov, argue Russia's research and development are cost-effective, others, like Owl Davies, highlight economic challenges. Regardless, as Putin's presidency unfolds, the world braces for a future marked by uncertainty, strained treaties, and the specter of an escalating nuclear arms race.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.